Welcome guys to my new video. One of my fans sent this phone to me all the way from Port Harcourt City, Nigeria. This phone reached my hand yesterday. My dear technician, she told me that the back camera of the phone is not working. The front and the back camera of the phone is not working. And also the flashlight is not working. Today's video, I will show you how you can be able to fix it. Without time wasted, let me start the video. My dear technician, right in my hand, you can see that I'm with Android phone. This is where the flashlight is. You can see it's not working. I click it many times, it's not working. So let me wipe down the control center for you guys to see. Check this out, the torchlight icon is not coming up. You can see it's hiding. I click it many times, it's not responding. Check this out, you can see it's not responding. So let me click the Wi-Fi for you guys to see that the Wi-Fi will on. Check this out, the Wi-Fi on. But when I click the torchlight, which is the flashlight, you can see it's not coming up. So today's video, I will show you how you can be able to fix it step by step. I will explain everything. So let me start showing you now, step by step, how you can be able to fix it. My dear technician, before I start showing you how you can be able to fix the issue, let me explain something very important. A lot of phone cameras control the flashlight. If the phone camera is not working, the flashlight will stop working automatically. You may ask, Father Joe, why is it like that? Why is it happening like that? Okay, the manufacturer of this phone programmed the phone in such a way that if the flashlight is unable or cannot connect to the camera, the flashlight will stop working. I think you understand. If you don't understand, let me know in the comment section. Please let me know in the comment section if you do not understand. My dear technician, the next thing is for me to carefully remove all the bolts and carefully remove the panel. I have to take time to do this. It's not a rushing work. I have to take time to do this. Right here, you can see this is the panel. And the first thing that we have to check here is the camera socket. So I'm going to unplug both the two cameras to check if there is any corrosion or rust. I think you guys understand what I mean. My dear technician, I just unplug one now and let's check. First of all, I turn the camera to check very well and I check the socket. My dear technician, the most important thing here for you to check is physical damage. Make sure you check for physical damage. My dear technician, after I spent some minutes checking the camera, I discovered that there's nothing really bad with the camera. So I have to drop the camera, then go to the front side of the camera. So this is the front camera. So let me remove the front camera and show you guys. Let's check this one to see. My dear technician, I just detected a rust. Now you can see this is the problem why the camera of this phone is not working. And also the flashlight of this phone is not working. You can see the rust. The rust stopped the flashlight not to work and also stopped the cameras not to work. So my dear technician, now that we have detected the issue, the problem why the camera was unable to turn on, now is solution. So let me show you how we can be able to fix the issue. For you to fix this issue, you need a microscope or you can use your phone as a microscope. Just turn on your camera and that is it. When you turn on your camera, you zoom your camera to this socket, right? When you zoom it to this socket, you'll be able to see all these small, tiny legs, right? The next thing now is for you to put paste like you're seeing me doing. Make sure you put paste like this and you turn on your hot air machine and let's blow. For the temperature, set your temperature to 120 only. Then for the air, keep it at 5. I recommend 5 because we need more air for us to do this perfectly, right? You can see the way I'm doing my own, so we need more air for us to do this perfectly. You may ask, Father Joe, why do we need blower for this work? We need blower. Let me answer. You see, when you apply paste and you use your blower to blow it, the paste will weaken the rust. The paste will enter inside and do what? And weaken the rust. So that once you apply your chemical, you clean it with your chemical will be able to clean the rust out immediately, very clean without any damaging, right? Without any remaining rust. Check this out. You can see it's very clean and I will clean again. I'll make sure I clean time with that number so that I will not have any remaining rust inside the pins. Check this out. My dear technician, if you have question, please ask me in the comment section if you have. Ask me a question if you have in the comment section, please. My dear technician, I carefully clean it again. I take my time to do this because I want to make sure that my customer enjoy my work. I want to make sure that my customer enjoy my services. Check this out. It's clean. It's clean now. It's okay. So now let me go to the camera. Right now you can see I'm with the camera. So I use tape. You can see I use white nylon tape to seal it because I don't want my fingers to touch the lens. If my finger touch the lens, it's going to spoil the lens. So I make sure I put protection first because I want the camera to still sharp and still give a clear picture. I don't want my customer to complain. My dear technician, I carefully scratch the legs. You can see I take my time to do this. I take my time to make sure I remove the rust. I take my time to scratch it. I take my time to do this. Please be careful when you want to do your own. Be very, very careful. Be very, very careful because any mistake, you may spoil the legs. My dear technician, the next thing now is for me to use my chemical to brush it. Check this out. I take my time to brush it very well because I want to see the pins coming out very nice. Check this out. I detected one place that is not connecting. Check this out. Anyway, I will use my multimeter to test it. I have to test it with my multimeter to be sure. My dear technician, I discovered that one pin here is not connecting. One pin right here is not connecting. This one pin right here is not connecting, and I will show you. My dear technician, we have to fix it. If not, the front camera will not work. But the flashlight will work, but the front camera will not work. Only the front camera that will not work. Check this out. This is exactly place that we're having issue. You can see that one line here cut. You can see because of the rust. Check this out. Check this out. You can see. So I have to scratch it because I have to bypass it. I have to use my jumper wire to lead it and connect it with the other one so that once I plug it, it will work. Check this out. You can see. So let me take time to scratch it. If you have question, please drop for me in the comment section if you have. Drop for me in the comment section if you have question, please. My dear technician, check this out. I carefully scratch it. I take my time to do this. Check this out. I scratch it very well. I take my time to do this without rushing. My dear technician, the next thing now is for me to start leading. Check this out. I have to lead. Very, very important. So let me start leading. I want to put lead there. It's important I do so. Check this out. You have to take time to do this. You want to make sure that you're doing a perfect work for your customer, please. My dear technician, you have to take your time to do this. Please do not rush. Take your time to do this. My dear technician, if you do not take your time to do this and you make a mistake, the lead touches other pins, like it breach other pins. It's going to stop the phone from on. It's going to stop the phone from booting, like I said, and also it's going to hang the phone if the phone boots. So have all of this in mind. Make sure you take your time to do this so that the phone will work perfectly without issues. Check the way I'm doing my own. You can see. Check this out. The lead bridge with other pins. So I want to separate now. I want to take my time to do this. Take time to do your own. It's important, please. Check this out. My dear technician, I take my time again to reapply the lead because the lead was not giving me what I want on the leg. So I take my time again to reapply the lead. At this time, I have to be more careful. Check this out. Check this out, my dear technician. You can see how it's looking now. Let me show you. Check this out. My dear technician, let me fix this camera on the phone panel to see if the two cameras and the flashlight will work. If it works, but I will still need to connect these legs that is disconnected, right? There's a reason why. And guys, let's see if it will work. My dear technician, it is important for us to connect the legs that cut off. Yes, because it's a positive line and it's responsible for positive signals, right? So if we do not connect it, the camera will not work. I'm very sure that the camera will not work. Guys, I'm going to test it for you guys to see now if the front camera will work. Let's check this out. My dear technician, if you have question, please ask me in the comment section. If you have, ask me a question. So let's find out if it will work. Right now, you can see that the flashlights button comes out. You can see the flashlight icon comes out and the flashlight is working. So let's go to the camera side and see if the camera will work. Okay, now you can see that the back camera works. The back camera works, and let's try the front camera and see if the front camera will work. You can see it cannot connect to the camera. Please make sure to close other apps that may use camera or flashlight. Now you can see that the front camera is not working because of the cut out legs. We have open circuit there, so that is why the front camera is not working. My dear technician, for us to fix this issue, we need to go and fix the open circuit, right? We need to go and repair. We need to go and do a bypassing so that we can fix the issue. So let me do it now. My dear technician, for us to do this perfectly, right here you can see the way I'm doing my own. You can see the way I keep my camera. You can see what I keep as a base for the camera. Now you can see the way I'm doing my own. So this is how you need to do your own, and you have to bring a jumper wire like this. You take your time to connect it. It is very simple. Make sure you apply paste. Very, very important. Apply paste. You take your time to do this. Check this out. Take your time to do this. You don't need to rush. Take your time to do this, right? You can see it's stressing me a little bit, but I'm still gonna fix it, right? This is my job and I love this job. I'm so passionate about this job and I will fix it. So let me try again. I have to make sure I fix it. Let me do it again. Here we go. Take your time to do this. Check this out. Check this out. Check this out. My dear technician, you can see the bit of my soldering iron, so I recommend you use this type of bit so that you can be able to do this job perfectly. Check this out. You can see I'm done. I'm done now. If you have question, please ask me in the comment section if you have question, please. My dear technician, the next thing now is for me to use my tweezers to check and confirm if it is connected. It is very, very important. You need to check to be sure. If not, it will not work. If not, it will not work. So make sure you check and confirm that you have laid it very well. Check for open circuit again for you to be sure. The next thing now is for you to cut out the excess jumper wire. Check this out. The next thing now is for you to cut out the excess jumper wire. You can use your multimeter to read the pins to confirm if they are connected. Check this out. I use my multimeter to read and confirm, and they are all connected. Check this out. If you have question, please ask me in the comment section. If you have, ask me a question. The next thing is for me to cut out excess jumper wire. I take my time to do that. If you have question, please let me know in the comment section if you have. Check this out. I take my time to do it. I take my time to do it. You don't have to rush, please. You don't have to rush. Tell your customer to give you time for you to do it. You don't have to rush, please. Take your time to do it. Check this out. Check this out. So the next thing is for me to cut this side out. I take my time to do it. Check this out. I take my time to do it. If you have question, drop for me in the comment section. Now check this out. I still need to cut another one out. I will show you. I still need to cut another one out. Check this out. If I leave the jumper wire like this, it's going to cause a problem when I put in the socket. So I need to cut from this place out. You can see. Need to cut from this place out. Need to take my time to do this. Need to take my time to do this. Do not rush, please. Do not rush. You can see what I'm doing. Do not rush. If you have question, please ask me in the comment section. If you have, ask me in the comment section. If you have question, please ask me in the comment section. Need to take my time to do this. No rushing. My dear technician, check this out. I take my time to do this. I take my time to do this. I take my time to do this. I bend it so that I'll be able to cut it smoothly. I take my time to do this. If you have something that you can use and cut, you can use it too. You can use it. For me, I tried using the razor blade, but it wasn't giving me what I want. So I have to leave it and you do it this way. You can see I'm done. Check this out. Check this out. The next thing now is for me to brush it. Let me brush it and show you guys. If you have question, please drop for me in the comment section if you have. Drop me question in the comment section if you have question, please. It's important. Check this out. I'm done. Check this out. I'm done. You can see. Excellent. I'm done. So the next thing now is for me to fix the camera and test to see if it will work. My dear technician, before I fix the camera, let me clean it very well. Let me clean the chemical out. Let me take my time to do this. Check this out. This is the panel. If you have question, please ask me in the comment section if you have. So let me take my time to fix it. Let me take my time to fix it. Let me test it for you guys to see if it will work. If not working, we are still going to troubleshoot again and fix the issue. I have to fix this phone. Check this out. If you have question, please let me know in the comment section if you have. It's important. So let me turn on the phone to see if it will work. Let's wait for the phone to finish booting. Let's wait, please. Let's wait, please. Let's wait, please. Let's wait. If you have question, drop for me in the comment section if you have. Check this out. The touch light works. Let me turn on the touch lights. You can see the touch light works. Now let me check the camera. I on again for you guys to see. Let me turn off the touch light. And let me go to the camera section. My dear technician, please wait. Let's check if the front and the back will work. Let's check. If not working, I'll troubleshoot again. Now you can see the back camera works. The back camera works. So let's try the front. Let me try the front. Here we go. Let's see. Yeah, it works. The front camera works. Check this out. The front camera works. Check this out. Oh, I smile. Please make sure you like this video, share this video, comment. Let me know what you think about this video. Check this out. The front camera works. Check this out. This is me, Father Drew. If you have question, please ask me in the comment section if you have. Ask me a question in the comment section if you have. My dear technician, I'm done now. So let me couple the phone, fix everything so that I will mail the phone back to the owner. Check this out. I'm done. So let me fix the phone now. My dear technician, I'm done now. I couple everything. I take my time to fix everything. Now let me do the finishing touches. The last test. You can see the touch light works. And let's go to the camera side. Let me test the camera. Let me test the camera to see. Let's wait. First of all, the back camera. You can see the back camera works. Check this out. And let me switch over to the front camera. Check this out. The front camera works. You can see. This is me, Father Joe. Okay guys, I'm done. If you have question, please ask me in the comment section if you have question. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye bye for now. I love you all.